By the end of this video, you will know how to connect Zapier to Calendly. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This opens the area where Zapier stores the apps linked to your account. From there, click the button labeled Create Connection to begin adding a new app. A search window will appear so you can choose the service you want to connect. Type Calendly into the search field, then select Calendly from the list of results. After selecting it, click Add Connection. This tells Zapier which account you want to link and opens the sign-in flow for Calendly. In the Connect to Zapier window, check that the Calendly account shown is the one you want to use. If you manage more than one account, this is the moment to confirm you are connecting the correct one before moving forward. When it looks right, click Connect. You will then be taken to the Calendly sign-in screen. Enter your email address and click Continue if you sign in with email. If your Calendly account uses Google or Microsoft, choose Login with Google or Login with Microsoft instead. Use the sign-in method that matches the way your Calendly account was originally set up. After that, complete the sign-in process on Calendly. Depending on your account, you may see permission prompts asking you to allow Zapier to access your Calendly account. Review those requests and approve them to continue. Without that approval, Zapier will not be able to create the connection. Once access is approved, Zapier will begin verifying your Calendly account. Give it a moment to finish. During this step, Zapier checks that the account is reachable and that the connection can be created successfully. When the verification is complete, the connection setup will finish automatically. Next, return to the App Connections page in Zapier. Look through your connected apps and confirm that Calendly now appears in the list. You should also see its status marked as connected. That status is the sign that the account link has been created and saved in Zapier. To verify that everything is working, find your Calendly connection and click Test Connection. Zapier will run a quick check to confirm that it can still access your Calendly account. Wait for the test to complete and review the result. If the connection was set up properly, the test will confirm that Zapier can reach Calendly without any issues. Your Calendly account is now connected to Zapier and verified for access.